It takes many workers to produce goods in factories and to keep manufacturing facilities running. All the workers, from those on the assembly line to inspectors performing quality tests to plant operators, report to a supervisor of production or operating workers. These supervisors assign workers and plan schedules to reach production goals. They ensure products meet standards and keep records on efficiency and accuracy. When problems arise, production supervisors implement strategies to improve motivation, methods, or efficiency. Production and operating worker supervisors also conduct employee training and communicate with management to resolve any problems with workers or production processes. They make recommendations on hiring and promotions and keep an eye on employee effectiveness. Production and operating worker supervisors make sure safety and sanitation regulations are maintained. They know the equipment in detail, so they can identify any problems and may even make minor repairs to stay on schedule. These supervisors work in a variety of manufacturing facilities: automobile, chemical and food production, machine shops, and more. Most positions require a high school diploma and work experience.